So, new place, new location, and excuse the fact that my bed behind me is not 100% made. Don't feel like making it today because it is a Saturday. But I have a haul video for you guys for my birthday that I wanted to share with you. And I'm very excited about this haul because the whole entire haul is Christian Louboutin themed. So, it was a very CL birthday. I'm very excited about it. Excuse the fact that you can hear my bird squawking downstairs. She's mad that I am not down there with her. But I wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing video for you because these just came in the mail and it's kind of, I have a funny, ironic story behind both of them. So keep watching to see my Christian Louboutin makeup unboxing haul. So I ended up ordering the other day when I got my Saks Fifth Avenue shipment in. I ordered the Christian Louboutin palette because I ended up getting a gift card from Saks. And so I was like, well, I'm just gonna order this makeup set. I've always wanted this palette and I have a gift card, so it'll basically almost make this palette free for me. So I ended up ordering this palette right here. And what's hilarious, as you can see, this palette is red. I ended up getting this one in the mail on Friday and I was very confused. I was like, I didn't order the black one. I thought I ordered the black one actually, but when I opened it, it had the blush palette in it. I was like, I didn't order the blush palette, I ordered the eyeshadows. Turns out my in-laws sent me this for my birthday. They had no idea that I had ordered this one. So now I have the little set of the eyeshadows and the blush. It's very ironic how this worked out. And I thought I actually ordered the black one. Turns out I actually ordered the red one, so I have both of them. So it's the small little things in life that make me very excited and happy that it just worked out. And it really made my birthday, which is awesome. So I had my birthday yesterday. I turned 27 and I am very, very excited to try out these palettes. I've already tried the blush palette and the highlighters and I absolutely love them. The blushes are beautiful. The highlighter is beautiful. I'm wearing the coral blush today and I absolutely love it. So I will go ahead and show you the little palettes. First and foremost, we'll start with the eyeshadow palette because I haven't set it up yet. But comes in the beautiful typical CL packaging that they have. You open it up and you have your palette. Now, this palette, I want to say is $78 to buy this, which is a lot of money for just literally this right here. So I ended up trying to figure out what else I could use this for once I was done with eyeshadows. And one, you can buy the refillable cartridges or pans or whatever to put in here. I apologize in advance for my bird. She will not shut up. But it's magnetized, which is awesome. So the little tiny little pans go in here. You can pop them out right here and they give you a tool in here to pop out your pans. It's a very nice, luxurious packaging. It is very, very like weighted. I love the little metal detailing on it, the spikes. And if you didn't want to put makeup in here, you also could put probably like cards or something small in here and it would fit, which is awesome. But I love it because it says from Christian with love, which I love that. I think it's so pretty. But when you get the eyeshadows, they of course come in the little red box. And then you have just basically, it's just a piece of plastic and the little pan is in here. And I got the bronze eyeshadow set because I wear more golds than bronze over like pinks. And ooh, this is beautiful. I've heard the pigmentation on these eyeshadows are absolutely beautiful. They have minimal fallout. I've done a lot of research on their makeup. I love their lip products. It is more expensive, but I really like some nice quality makeup sometimes to just make myself feel a little bit more luxurious on some days. And this would be one of the items that I would use if I wanted to splurge on makeup for special occasions. And in all honesty, like I probably would use this on like, I don't put makeup on unless I'm going out or going to work. I work remote a lot of times. So unless I'm actually going to meetings, I could use this if I was going to a meeting. Which is nice and just kind of elevate my makeup for that day and just kind of like give myself something just to feel a little bit extra special that day. But I love this palette right here. It's absolutely beautiful. On the back of it, it shows you exactly like what palette you bought. I brought the Bronze Eloise palette, which is beautiful. And you just go pop and it snaps in and it's stuck in there. How funny would that be if it just went into my hand? Not very funny, that would have sucked. But really, really pretty. I absolutely love it. You got the beautiful eyeshadows in here. And I love that I got the red one and now I have both of them, which is so exciting. So I have the red one, which has my eyeshadows in it. I'm very excited that they're different colors because now I'm not gonna have to open them to figure out which one's blush and which one's eyeshadows. So eyeshadows are in the red. And then the little blush palette is the one that my in-laws sent me. So this is the blush palette. It's absolutely beautiful. You have a really nice pretty rose color, a nice pretty coral, and a beautiful like champagne highlight, which I think is stunning. I absolutely love it. And I was very excited when I got this. I have been wanting this makeup set for the longest time. I love Louboutin and I love their makeup so much. I love their lipsticks and I love their shoes, their handbags, literally anything they do I love. So I really wanted to try their makeup, but I could never justify the price. And finally I was like, you know what, we're just gonna splurge, we're gonna do it. I only was going to buy one of them because essentially this little guy was free, and then they sent me this one for my birthday, which is awesome. So I'm very excited. I love, love, love this blush palette. I love the black and I love the little red accents. I think it's so pretty and I just love it. This just made my whole entire day. And so now I have both of them, which is very exciting. So this was just a quick unboxing haul for the Christian Louboutin eyeshadow and blush palette. I have not tried the eyeshadows yet. I'm gonna try them out today because I wanted to test them out. But what I will say is the blushes, which are in this one, the blushes are beautiful. They're nicely pigmented. You just barely tap into the pan and it ends up giving you, like I've had the coral on today. I didn't want a lot of blush, but it just gave me a nice little bit of color, and that's the highlight. And I think the highlight looks very, very nice and natural. It's not overpowering, which is awesome. So yeah, that was my little Christian Louboutin unboxing haul. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse the bird for screaming, and I will see you guys later. Have a fun, fantabulous day, guys. Bye.